Today we are going to discuss about
agriculture. It's a very interesting lesson. Agriculture.
which is in the 5th standard social science, term 3, lesson 2.
Agriculture. Okay, students, the first thing we are going to discuss about learning objectives. Okay, learning objectives. Students will be able to describe the features of agriculture and list and explain different types of farming and irrigation. Then name the various crops grown in Tamil Nadu. So these are the objectives we are going to learn today. First, introduction. Agriculture is the art and science of preparing the soil for cultivation, growing crops and raising livestock. Agriculture has become a necessity for the humans. Agriculture led to the development of human civilization. India is an agricultural country. 1/3 of our national income comes from agriculture. Agricultural development contributes to the economy of our country. So, agriculture is the art and science of preparing soil, cultivation as well as growing crops. Okay, now we are going to see farmers in India. Farmers who cultivate in an area less than 1 hectare are called micro farmers. Okay, so first thing, farmers in India. A farmer is a person who cultivates crops and rears animals, that means poultry and other livestock. India is a land of farmers. It is called so because majority of Indians are directly or indirectly involved in agricultural activities. So, agriculture is the backbone of our economy. Then, the next topic is types of farming. Types of farming. There are several types of farming: subsistence farming, commercial farming, plantation farming, and mixed farming. So these are the types of farming. Let us move to the topics one by one. Okay, first topic is subsistence farming. In subsistence farming, crops are cultivated and used only for own family consumption. For what? Only for own family consumption. Such type of farming is adapted by small and marginal farmers on fragmented land holdings. The cultivated crops are usually food crops. The method of this farming is generally orchardistic. Commercial farming, unlike subsistence farming, here the crops are cultivated for commercial use and is sold in markets. This methods of farming is done by using modern tools and techniques. Plantation farming. Plantation farming is done in an estate where a single cash crop is cultivated on a large scale. Examples: tea, coffee, and rubber. Mixed farming. Mixed farming refers to the rearing of animals along with the cultivation. This type of farming is economical. The government has set up agencies like the Food Corporation of India to purchase the farm products directly from the farmers at reasonable rates. For the example, Ulavar Sandai. In order to eliminate the middleman between farmers and consumers, the government of Tamil Nadu introduced the new concept, namely Ulavar Sandai. Ulavar Sandai.